Happy Friday, Torrance High.
Last day before break.
I'm Julie.
I'm Marissa.
And this is your daily bulletin. Want to be on ASB next school year? Applications are now available in the activities office. Applications will be due on April 13th. If you have any questions, please stop by and see Mr. Jones.
Springfest is finally here. Today at lunch on the upper field, bring your money and support your clubs.
Tomorrow from 7 to 11 a.m., the Attic will host its 17th annual Pancake Breakfast celebration with an all-you-can-eat pancake breakfast. Donations are $5 per person, and the Attic will be closed from April 4th to April 8th.
Late start for April 12th and May 31st have been canceled. Please adjust your calendars to reflect the change.
Korean Culture Club is selling bulgogi during Springfest. Go to the east side of the field to get some.
Buy a plate of Alanal chicken katsu, rice, and macaroni salad from Save Club for only $5 during Springfest. Slab entry forms are being accepted today. Enter to win a $100 gift card and an amazing trophy. Entry forms are on the window in A231. Choose your chips, choose your toppings. Buy a cheesy chili chip pie from Speech and Debate today for just $2 at Springfest. Freshman class is selling Chick-fil-A today for $5 and lemonade for $1. Seniors, it's time to start submitting ideas for Prom 2016. Theme, song, and color. Stop by activities and put your ideas in the box. Last day is Wednesday, April 13th at Snack. Donut, miss your opportunity to buy Krispy Kreme for $1 from Stop Club at Springfest. All proceeds help rescue and rehabilitate victims of human trafficking.
Do you like cotton candy? Well, News Torch is selling it for $2 at Springfest. Make sure you buy some.